All right, guys, this is going to be a good one. We got lots of new rides on the lot this week and some unique ones. Several of these, I don't even remember the last time we had these for sale on the lot. So it's going to be a good week. I'm looking forward to these test drives. So let's just get right into it. I'm going to get to the new rides, but I'm going to briefly go over the current inventory for the people who are new here or who may have missed it. So first, let's start with this 69 Plymouth Roadrunner priced at $37,900. This is an old friend on the lot. It's got a matching numbers 383 with an automatic transmission. Maybe you're more of a Chevelle guy. Here's some more current inventory. A 68 Chevelle, priced at $29,900. It's got a 350 under the hood connected to an automatic transmission. Let's move on down this line of Chevelles. Next up, we got some new inventory. 71 Chevelle, priced at $27,900. Let's check it out. Back to the current inventory, we've got a 68 Chevelle SS, asking $31,900. It's got a big block 454 under the hood. That's connected to an automatic transmission with reverse manual valve body. And of course, can't forget the 69 GTO. It's only a matter of time for somebody's going to scoop this one up. It's got a 400 under the hood, automatic transmission, asking $34,900. Next up, we got some new inventory. This 1972 Chevy Chevelle SS, asking $40,900. This thing's pretty sweet. It's got a 4-speed. Let's check it out. And then moving on down the line, we got a 1993 Ford Mustang LX convertible, asking $15,900. Got a fuel-injected 5-liter under the hood with an automatic overdrive transmission. And that leads us to more existing inventory, a 68 Corvette. We got a matching numbers big block 427 automatic transmission. This thing will scoot. You've seen this one before, a 68 Camaro, asking $39,900. It's got a 350 and an automatic. And another new ride on the lot, 65 Ford Mustang, priced at $19,900. Let's take a look. Another old friend on the lot, 67 Camaro convertible, asking $34,900. It's got a 283 that's connected to an automatic transmission. Right next door, a 67 Camaro convertible, asking $34,900 on this one as well. It's got a 305. It's an automatic. Alright, another new ride. This time it's a 1980 Chevy Camaro Z28 with a pretty sweet paint job. This one's priced at $20,900. Next up, another new ride. I don't remember the last time I saw one of these for sale on the lot. It's a 1969 AMC AMX, asking $35,900. It's a 4-speed. back to back to back new inventory. It's a 51 Chevy panel, priced at $22,900. It's got a lot of room in it. You could probably van life in this thing if you wanted to. Back to some existing inventory, something a little newer. It's a 96 Chevy Impala SS, asking $29,900. Coming up on a new ride, this time a 6-speed 1967 Chevy Camaro, priced at $39,900. Now this one's current inventory, but it's still pretty new on the lot. 68 Pro Street Pontiac Firebird, priced at $34,900. It's got a 350 under the hood with a 4-speed manual. Starting off this last row with some existing inventory, a 71 Chevy C10, just under $8,000. Got a 305 and a 3-speed manual. Moving on, you've seen this one, a 65 Pontiac Bonneville, priced at $18,900. Don't forget this 68 Mercury Cougar XR7, asking $17,900. More new inventory, haven't seen one of these in a while. It's a 67 Ford Fairlane GT, priced at $22,900. Second to last, we got a 55 Chevy 210, priced at $31,900. It's got a good wrench 350 under the hood, automatic overdrive transmission. We're going to finish up strong with a 53 Chevy 210, 25,900 with a 305 under the hood, automatic overdrive transmission. All right, let me know which one was your favorite. It's going to be a good week at the lot. I appreciate you watching. I'll see you guys next time.